You see, if I start a YouTube channel in 2024, I would probably not be thinking about the subscribers. I won't be thinking about the revenue. I won't be thinking about maybe how many likes the video gets in the first few months. I'm just going to be thinking about this following stuff, which I am going to be discussing in this video. In case you are wondering, my name is Akire Ebolua, and I've been on YouTube up to 3 to 4 years now. And you might be wondering, okay, this is like a new channel. Yes, this is a new channel because I opened this channel recently just because I want to start educating you how I was able to navigate in my first few years as a YouTuber and the experience I've gotten on my other channel, which I'm going to be linking in the description. So the channel is about making money online. It has almost 7,000 subscribers. Yeah. So I just opened this channel just for me to share with you how you can actually navigate also in your first few months as a YouTuber. So make sure you subscribe to this channel because new videos are going to be dropping and I'm going to be teaching you everything you need to do every week till you become a big YouTuber yourself. So if I'm starting a YouTube channel in 2024, if I'm not going to be focusing on the subscribers and I'm not going to be focusing on the revenue, then what are those things I am actually going to be focusing on? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to start. Just start. So you've been having the idea of being a YouTuber and you don't even know what to do. You don't even know if you should start or if you should postpone it. What are the things you need to put together? What I want to tell you is just start. But you are not just starting, you have to start in 2024 as a semi-professional. So you are not going to be starting YouTube in 2024 as someone who doesn't know anything, as someone who is just going to the platform. Just let me try this, let me try that and see if it's going to work. No, that is not what we are doing again. Don't even try that. What we are going to be doing is we are going to be start even not as a semi-professional, but as a professional. Because right now on YouTube, there are many people who are teaching you what you need to do on YouTube, and you can actually watch their videos and learn from them. And by the time you are opening your channel, you are opening your channel as a professional because you already got the study. So you don't need to start trying to discover yourself again. No, you shouldn't do that because the courses are there, free courses everywhere, which you can actually take and then become a professional and start. Still in this process of just starting, start with actually whatever you have. Many of us have like good smartphones right now. We have good phones that can shoot 8K, 4K videos. Yes, start with that particular phone. In short, use your headset as your microphone. Some of you have good microphone, good headset from Samsung, from iPhone. These are good materials. So just get a tripod. Even if you don't have a tripod, just put some boxes together, place your phone on them, and then face them to yourself. Use your front-facing camera, and then start shooting your video. And another thing you need to do in this particular step is you need to identify your niche immediately. I know many people are going to be telling you, okay, as you are uploading videos, you will start discovering your niche. No, that is not what we are doing in 2024. Even before we press that record button, we already know the niche which we are going to be following. If I'm going to be going into football, all my videos are going to be football. Before I start recording it, I would have watched a lot of other channels who are also doing football, so I know what to do. I don't want to start now as a beginner, as someone who doesn't have any knowledge. I'm starting as somebody who has knowledge because I'm putting out a good product that will make people watch my channel and they stick to my channel. Yes, I'm going to identify my niche even before I press the record button, just as I'm doing on this channel, which you are watching. You can subscribe to this channel because by the time you come back in the next few months, you're going to see how big this channel would have become. Yeah, that is the challenge. So another thing which I'm going to do is I'm going to find when I am going to be uploading my video. I'm going to schedule if it's once a week or twice a week. I would advise once a week actually, so you won't be overwhelmed. Once a week, is it going to be on a weekend? Is it going to be on a Monday? Is it going to be on a Tuesday, on a Wednesday? For me, on my other channel, I upload every Sunday, like every Sunday from 2 o'clock I upload. But I'm going to show you where you can actually see what time you need to upload your new channel on your channel, but that is not going to be in your first few months of your channel. You need to have a lot of videos on your channel, and then YouTube will start showing you what time your viewers are actually online. So like I said, understand subscribers are not really important. I will tell you what I mean by that before we jump to the next step which you need to do. Why I say subscribers are not important is you don't need to start going to your friends or families and start telling them, please subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. So I actually did it when I started, and I find out that me going to people telling them to subscribe to my channel, they end up subscribing and they are not even watching my video. So they subscribe, and at the end I upload the video and the video is still getting 1 view, 2 view, because the guys who actually subscribe, actually they were not watching the video, just subscribe, just let me just pity him so he can think, okay, he has 50 subscribers, he has 100 subscribers. No, don't do that. Don't. In 2024 we are not going with that vibe, so we are not doing that in 2024. Don't tell anybody to subscribe to your channel. All you need to do is just focus on your thumbnail, focus on a good content, and by the time you upload that video and people watch that video, YouTube is going to promote that video, and before you know it, from a video, I actually had a video on my other channel, and this video I uploaded it maybe a few weeks ago, and this particular video gave me almost 2,000 subscribers just from a video. I've seen other YouTubers that they post a video and this their video actually gives them up to 6,000 subscribers. So you see, you're going to meet people, please subscribe, or start telling your friends or family to subscribe to your channel. This doesn't work actually. By the time you focus on a good content, on a good thumbnail, by the time you upload that video, this subscriber will actually come. So we are jumping to the next step, the next guide in which you need to do. So the first step is while making your 10 videos, your first 10 videos. So the second one is while making your first 50 videos, your first 50 videos. So by the time you've made 10 videos, by the time you're making your 11th video, you should have been able to know how you can captivate your audience. So it's called hook. Hook is when you start your video. When you start your video, what are the first 10 sentences which you say that will make people to decide, oh, okay, I want to watch this video to the end. So you need to have been able to master that by the time you are uploading your 11th video. Another thing you need to have been able to master is your editing. Right now, there are a lot of applications, which free applications, which you can actually use to edit your videos. Number one is CapCut. I would recommend CapCut for anybody, both on the desktop version and both on the phone. You can also use your phone to do it, and it's completely free, so you have no excuse. You need to have mastered your editing. Another thing is you need to have improved your audio. Like I said before, you can use your headset. If you don't have if you have one, they're actually good, because everybody has a good phone right now. Just try to improve your audio. And another thing which you need to do by the time you upload your 11th video, you need to get better by designing your thumbnail. Watch other channels who are creating the same content as you do, and see how the way they actually design their thumbnail, because thumbnail really matters a lot. I'm going to be making another video about thumbnails, how you can make the best thumbnail that's going to make someone who sees that thumbnail want to click your video. So you need to get better by designing your thumbnail, and your content has to be good also, because great content makes a subscriber wants to come back. If I watch your video today and you actually said something really nice, I'm going to subscribe, and tomorrow or next tomorrow when you upload a new video, or I will even be anticipating your next video because you have great content. So this leads us to guide number 3, what I will be doing in my third guide in 2024 if I start a YouTube channel. Also, I'm going to try to, the first thing I'm going to try to do is I call it strategizing. So what you are doing in this third step is you are strategizing. So, and the first thing to strategizing well is focus on standing out. So you have your niche, you've created your first 50 videos. By the time you are making your first 51 video, you need to focus on standing out. You need to be able to stand out in your niche. So if you are making hair, if you are doing makeup, if you are doing vlog, now it's time for you to beat your competitors. Yeah, you want to beat them with the thumbnail, you want to beat them with the good content, you want to beat them with the good vibe, and you just have to stand out. By the time you stand out in your niche, people will come to your channel. For me right now, I have 2 people which I always watch their channel. If a new phone should come out right now, and first I'm going to watch Mr. Woo's Boss video, and then I'm going to watch Marcus Brownie's video. These two people, they already stand out for me in the tech side of YouTube. Yeah, so I just watched their channel. They already stood out among there. There are other ones who are doing the same thing. We have Fisayo also doing the same thing. I watch Fisayo sometimes, but these two guys, Mr. Wizboss and Marcus Brownie, they just stood out for me. So, and that is the vibe you are going to be doing in 2024. Try to stand out among other channels that is doing the same thing as you are doing. And the other thing is, you need to build a community. Try to build a relationship with your subscriber. Don't just upload a video and the next day you're uploading another video and you're just telling them, please subscribe, please like. No. Try to build a community with them. Build a community with them. Use the community section on YouTube. Try to communicate with them. Do you like my video? What do you want me to improve? Make them feel as if they are part of your channel. And the lesson is, be business minded. YouTube is a business on its own. It's not like something you just do today and you come back in the next 1 month, or you just upload the video today and in the next month you are coming to upload that. No, you need to be business minded. You need to take it serious. Like I told you, in 2024, we are starting YouTube as a professional, not as somebody who doesn't know anything, because we have all these free materials which we actually got already. And the next thing is, then you can start focusing on your revenue. And one way of getting quick revenue is using sound. By the time you use sound in your video, like for example, Epidemic Sound, if you use a sound on the video, they have this referral program. And by the time you put the link in your description, when people click the link, you make some little change or some little money from them actually buying this sound also. So I hope this was helpful. I hope this was really helpful for you. So if you're starting YouTube in 2024, just come back and watch this video again, watch it again, and then try to apply everything I said in this video. And I'm telling you, by the time you make your first 100 video, you are already at your A game and nothing can actually stop you. So I will tell you, please subscribe to this channel because I'm going to be dropping another one. It's YouTube Academy. This is my YouTube Academy, and I'm going to be teaching you everything you need to know about you growing on YouTube in 2024. My name is Ekere Bolua. As usual, you can also check out my other channel, and as you know, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now. Peace.